Okay, so Switzerland. I know, everyone's always like Switzerland is so beautiful and I'm usually like, yeah, whatever. But guys, seriously, Switzerland is next level. I'm talking jaw on the floor, eyes popping out of my head, gorgeous. Like, I'm not even kidding. We're talking mountains that literally disappear into the clouds, lakes that are so blue they look photoshopped, and these cute little villages that look like they're straight out of a fairy tale. I basically spent the entire trip feeling like I was in a movie montage. So, yeah, get ready to be amazed, because I'm about to take you on a journey to the top 10 most breathtaking views in Switzerland. And trust me, you're gonna want to add every single one of these to your bucket list, like right now. Okay, first up, we have the Matterhorn. You know, the Matterhorn. The one that's literally on every single Swiss chocolate bar and postcard ever. It's like the ultimate symbol of Switzerland. Yeah, that one. And let me tell you, it does not disappoint. Standing there in person, it's even more breathtaking than you can imagine. Like, pictures do not do this thing justice. It's literally this perfect pyramid of rock that just juts straight up into the sky. The sheer scale and symmetry are mind-blowing. It's actually kind of intimidating, not gonna lie. The way it towers over everything around it is almost surreal. We're talking 14,692 feet of pure, majestic mountain. It's one of the highest peaks in the Alps. And the village of Zermatt at the bottom? Don't even get me started. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. It's like this adorable little car-free village with all these cute shops and restaurants. You can just wander around and soak in the charm. I swear I took like 500 pictures of the Matterhorn from every angle possible. Each view offers something unique. And you know what? Every single one of them looks like a postcard. It's just that photogenic. It's actually insane. If you only have time to see one thing in Switzerland, make it the Matterhorn. It's an experience you'll never forget. Trust me on this one. The Matterhorn is the epitome of natural beauty and a must-see for anyone visiting Switzerland.